What y'all doing? Y'all. It's Retribution. That's Queen B. And this on the phone, it's Tia. So, yeah. If you can hear, that's cool. If you can't, oh well. Keep it your life. I'm be on Facebook. And this one, I don't know what she gonna do, but I'm gonna be on Facebook. So, yeah. Look, don't be asking me what I said, okay? Don't get smart. If I ask you to hand me a pad, can you give me the right one? Huh? It's the best day ever. Can you not do that? Can you not do that? I mean, you didn't have to jack the goddamn computer like that, but okay. You do you. You do you. Why is you doing that behind my back though?
You can see me?
No, I can't see you, but I feel you. I feel your inner presence and stuff.
Okay, I want to do a smoothie challenge too.
You want to do what?
I'm going to send you 2 videos. It's called the smoothie challenge.
Okay, bro, who said I wanted to do the ho-ho challenge and the smoothie challenge?
Because you love me and you will do it.
Okay, you got it.
It's true.
Oh, you made. Oh, you got it. You see that? Put it. Make it out your mouth. You dirty nasty thing.
They really put it in my mouth.
Oh no. Oh no. I saw that. I wasn't looking, but I saw that.
Let me see nothing.
Who was talking to you? Stay over there, phone.
I don't want to stay over here. I want to stay somewhere else.
You on speaker, so you best be quiet.
I know I'm on speaker. You clearly know that I'm on speaker.
You clearly know that you're on speaker. You clearly know. Stop throwing things at the camera.
No. Turn up.
Turn down. Turn all the way down.
Turn down for what?
Turn down because I said turn down. What you mean?
Ooh, you almost said a bad word.
Ooh, I'm grown.
You've been grown.
Girl, 12-year-old, hush.
Hi. Hi, girl.
Hi, boy.
No, so seriously, you shouldn't that. Turn down.
Turn up
Turn down
for what?
Turn this for what? What? Oh.
So, let's see what we got in our goodie bag. You see this right here? The main cause of gingivitis. Oh, stop. Oh God. Bro. I'll be done. Queen B, you stay. You stay.
I think.
Bruh, your fart smell.
I didn't fart.
Yes, you did.
I never farted.
You farted.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about. Turn